Lay's potato chips. Bet you can't eat just one.
There's a reason one famous slogan has stayed in people's minds for decades. It perfectly describes what happens when you open a bag of Lay's potato chips. One crisp bite quickly turns into another, and before you know it, the bag is empty. But have you ever wondered what it actually takes to make those perfectly thin, golden, crunchy chips? Today, we're taking you inside one of PepsiCo's most advanced potato chip factories to follow every step of the journey, from freshly harvested potatoes growing underground to the sealed bags lining supermarket shelves around the world. Get ready to see one of the most impressive food production processes ever created. Every hour, this massive facility produces several tons of potato chips. Across multiple production lines operating around the clock, hundreds of tons of fresh potatoes are transformed into millions of bags every year. To keep production running, PepsiCo works with thousands of farmers and purchases enormous quantities of specially selected potatoes grown specifically for chip making. Everything begins in vast potato fields. Unlike many crops, potatoes grow beneath the soil, hidden from view. During harvest season, powerful harvesting machines slowly travel across the fields, digging several inches into the ground to lift entire potato plants from the soil. The machine doesn't just collect potatoes. It also picks up rocks, roots, dirt, and plant material. Inside the harvester, vibrating conveyor systems shake away loose soil while carefully transporting thousands of potatoes every minute. As the machine continues moving across the field, trucks drive alongside it. Fresh potatoes are transferred directly into these trucks without stopping the harvesting process, creating a smooth and highly efficient operation. Once the trucks are full, they head toward large storage facilities designed to preserve the freshly harvested crop until it's needed for production. Before any potato reaches the factory, it must pass strict quality inspections. The first stop is an advanced optical sorting system. As potatoes travel along conveyor belts, sophisticated cameras and sensors examine every single one. Their size, shape, color, and overall condition are analyzed in just fractions of a second. High-speed air jets instantly remove stones, dirt, and damaged potatoes from the production stream. Any potato showing signs of disease, bruising, or irregular size is automatically rejected. Only the healthiest potatoes continue their journey. The approved potatoes are carefully placed into enormous wooden storage bins before entering climate-controlled warehouses capable of storing millions of potatoes at one time. Temperature and humidity are carefully monitored to keep the potatoes fresh for weeks or even months until production schedules require them. When it's time to begin manufacturing, forklifts transport the storage bins toward the washing area. Although many potatoes have already been cleaned at the farm, they go through another complete washing process before entering the factory. Powerful rotating drums, industrial brushes, and high-pressure water sprays remove every remaining trace of soil. This step isn't only about cleanliness or interfere with highly precise processing equipment later in production. After washing, trained quality inspectors perform one final visual examination, removing anything that doesn't meet strict standards. Now the potatoes are ready for the factory. When trucks arrive at the processing plant, something remarkable happens. Instead of unloading with traditional methods, the entire truck is lifted onto a massive hydraulic platform. The platform slowly tilts forward, allowing thousands of potatoes to gently roll onto conveyor belts below in a controlled stream. From there, samples are collected for laboratory testing. Technicians measure moisture levels, starch content, and overall quality to ensure every batch will fry evenly and produce the perfect texture. Next comes another industrial washing system that gives every potato one final deep cleaning before peeling begins. Large rotating peelers lined with abrasive surfaces gently remove the skin, while streams of water continuously wash away loosened peels. Within minutes, each potato emerges perfectly peeled. Another inspection system immediately scans every potato using high-resolution cameras. Any remaining defects are detected instantly. Precisely timed bursts of compressed air remove defective potatoes without slowing the production line. The remaining potatoes move into automatic sizing equipment. Potatoes that meet the required dimensions continue directly toward slicing. Larger potatoes are redirected, cut into smaller pieces, and then rejoin the production line so that nothing goes to waste. Workers stationed alongside the conveyors continue monitoring every potato. Although automation handles most of the work, experienced human eyes provide one final layer of quality assurance. Now comes one of the most important stages of the entire process. The potatoes enter high-speed slicing machines. Inside these machines, centrifugal force presses each potato against razor-sharp blades spinning around the outer edge. In less than a second, every potato is transformed into dozens of incredibly thin slices with almost identical thickness. That precise thickness is critical. If slices are too thick, they become hard and heavy. Too thin, and they'll curl excessively or break apart during frying. For classic Lay's chips, straight blades create smooth slices. For wavy varieties, specially designed corrugated blades produce the familiar ridged shape that gives those chips extra crunch. Immediately after slicing, the potato pieces travel through flowing water channels. Multiple washing stages remove excess surface starch. Without this step, the slices would stick together inside the fryer and cook unevenly. After rinsing, excess water is removed before the slices continue toward one of the factory's most impressive machines, the continuous fryer. Stretching for dozens of feet, this enormous fryer cooks thousands of potato slices every minute. The chips are gently submerged in carefully controlled vegetable oil maintained at extremely high temperatures. As they fry, moisture rapidly escapes from the potatoes while a small amount of oil replaces it, creating the familiar crispy texture everyone loves. Engineers constantly monitor temperature, cooking time, and oil quality. Even the oil itself is carefully managed. Fresh oil is continuously blended with filtered cooking oil to maintain consistent flavor, color, and texture across every batch. Once the chips reach the perfect golden color, they leave the fryer. At this point, they're incredibly delicate. Instead of rough conveyor belts, specially designed vibrating transport systems gently move the chips through the factory while minimizing breakage. Another advanced optical inspection system immediately checks every chip. Hundreds of chips are scanned every second. Any chip that's too dark, overcooked, broken, or discolored is removed instantly using precisely aimed bursts of air. Only the best chips continue. Fresh out of the fryer, the chips receive a light coating of fine salt. For flavor varieties, they enter large rotating seasoning drums. Inside, carefully measured blends of spices, herbs, cheese powders, barbecue flavorings, sour cream seasoning, and other ingredients are evenly distributed across every chip. Because the chips are still warm, the seasoning sticks perfectly, creating consistent flavor in every bite. Throughout production, quality control teams regularly collect samples. They evaluate appearance, crunch, seasoning coverage, texture, aroma, and flavor to ensure every bag meets the company's standards. Once approved, the chips move upward into an advanced multi-head weighing system. Dozens of computerized weighing buckets work together simultaneously, calculating the exact combination needed to achieve the target weight for every package. Whether it's a small snack bag or a family-size pack, each one is filled with impressive accuracy. The measured chips then travel into high-speed packaging machines. As each bag is filled, oxygen is replaced with nitrogen gas. This important step helps preserve freshness while also creating the familiar cushion of air that protects the fragile chips from breaking during shipping. Finished bags are automatically packed into cardboard cartons. Robotic palletizing systems stack the cartons onto large shipping pallets. The completed pallets are securely wrapped in protective film. Forklifts move the finished pallets onto waiting trucks. From there, they begin their journey to supermarkets, convenience stores, vending machines, and homes across the country. And that's how those irresistibly crispy Lay's potato chips are made. But what about you? Can you stop at just one chip? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming episodes. And if you got a fellow Lay's lover in your life, go ahead and share this video with them too.